Meet Aarav. He loves to play and have fun all day.
Aarav, come here.
I'm playing, Mama.
Meet
Aarav, it's time to brush your teeth.
No, I want to play. Ouch, my teeth hurt.
Not brushing teeth is a bad habit.
Yummy candy. I want more. Oh no, my tummy hurts.
Too much junk food is a bad habit.
Yay, so many toys. Oops.
Be careful, Aarav. Not cleaning your room is a bad habit.
My teeth hurt. My tummy hurt. I fell down. I don't like bad habits. I want to be happy. Brush, brush, brush. Good job, Aarav.
Brushing teeth is a good habit. Eat healthy food, Aarav.
Yummy. I love apples and carrots.
Eating healthy is a good habit.
Let's clean up. Very good, Aarav.
Cleaning your room is a good habit.
I feel so happy.
Good habits make you strong and happy.
Brush your teeth every day. Eat good food to grow and play. Clean your room, don't delay. Good habits help in every way.